Hi, Mary Jo Tinlin, and I'm here tonight to talk to you about some amazing oils that are perfect for college students or even high school students if they are just learning about oils. This is a great kit that I think everybody will really like, and I'm going to tell you why it's so easy to use. So this is our um, this is our rollerball kit. They're all sorry, I'll go this way. They're all 10 milliliter rollers, and I'll talk to you about each of these oils. They're in the box here all together. They're each 10 milliliters, and they look like this. So they have a roller ball top like that you just roll on your skin, either on the top of your feet um, or on the back of your neck, or depending on the oil, wherever you're going to put it. This one is the one of the. I'll just talk about it first. It's called Digestion, and it is for any sort of challenge in your belly area, any sort of thing that's going on there that you would need some relief from if you're having some issues there. It's called the digestive blend. So it helps with soothing digestive issues. And it's a great blend of lots of different things. It smells sort of licorice-y because it has anise in it, and anise oil, and it has ginger as well, which is amazing for calming down your stomach. Caraway, coriander, tarragon. It's an amazing oil. The other ones that are in here include the Breathe blend, which is fantastic for respiratory support if you have any issues with, challenges with your respiratory system. I'll say it that way. It has laurel oil, eucalyptus, peppermint, melaleuca, lemon, cardamom, ravensara, and ravenstera. It's a great oil that you can put on your chest, on the bottom of your feet, on your neck, anywhere that you're having, that would help sort of, open up your airways. The next one is melaleuca, which is also known as tea tree oil. And tea tree oil is a fantastic oil for sort of just any kind of controlling, let's just say the little creepy crawlies. It is blended with fractionated coconut oil. All of these are blended with fractionated coconut oil, so they're diluted, which also helps with absorption, which is great. Melaleuca is something you can use on your skin. So if you have like a little spot that you don't like, you can use melaleuca there. You can also use it if you get a cut of some sort or an abrasion, and it will help with soothing the skin surfaces. I have to be very careful about how I say things. I can't make any kind of medical claim at all, and so I'm just trying to be mindful of that. The next one is oregano touch, and oregano is a hot oil, so it's a great way to have it in this touch because it cuts it down so that it doesn't hurt your skin. It won't burn your skin, and it's fantastic for it's antimicrobial, antifungal. It's just such a good oil if you have any kind of challenges on your fingernails or between your toes or anything like that. And the other thing that oregano oil is fantastic for is immune support. So the minute I start to feel any sort of challenge, any kind of thing in my body where I just don't feel like it's quite right, I start using oregano oil. And then the next oil I'll talk about is On Guard. And the On Guard blend is this one. It is a fantastic blend of coconut oil, of course, wild orange, clove, cinnamon leaf, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus, and rosemary. And this is the one that they call, they said that the grave robbers during the Black Plague used this to fight off the plague. And On Guard is fantastic. It's one of our most popular oils. It has a whole line of other products to go with it. Toothpaste, which I use every day, the foaming hand soap that I use every day. It's got cleaning solution, which I use in my bathroom. So I have green products used in my bathroom. So you could send your kids with the toothpaste to help boost their immunity with that. You could also again send them up with some hand sanitizers that are alcohol free and of course completely natural. And so On Guard just has fantastic products that are really really easy to use. They have beadlets, and so if you start to feel something, you can take the beadlet really quickly. They also have soft gels that I can show you in a minute, and they are fantastic for just super easy use. You don't have to take it in, under your tongue or anything when it's kind of strong. You can take those soft gels again the minute you feel something. And so if your kiddos are starting to, get worn down, and let's say it's finals time, or they got to get to a practice, maybe they're an athlete, they cannot get sick. Oregano and On Guard, the combination of those two together are just like the dynamic duo of immune boosting. And so please consider those for this. The next one that I just love is the king of oils. It's frankincense. Frankincense is the reason I started using essential oils, because that oil is fabulous. And they always say, if when in doubt, frank it out, because frankincense is amazing. And it's an oil that, for this purpose, you could use it again on your skin directly because it's diluted. You can also use it on the bottom of your feet. You can use it on the back of your neck. It's just an incredible oil for so many things. So many things. I'll try to put those in the notes for you. I talked about Digestion. Deep Blue is a fantastic blended oil for any kind of tension in your muscles. So if you overdo it a little bit, or maybe you went out on a run, or lifting weights, or maybe you were moving in your dorm room or something like that, and just feeling a little challenged, some Deep Blue anywhere that is causing those issues, your back, your arms, your legs, your calves, that will help. It will give relief, and it's fractionated coconut oil diffused or diluted, so it will absolutely, it won't hurt. It will be an amazing oil to use for that. And then the last two are single oils, not blends, that are just favorites and incredible oils to have around all the time. Lavender oil is a beautiful and amazing oil. And even if you don't like lavender, you can put it on your feet. It just helps with calming. It helps with emotion. It helps with skin issues. It also just smells amazing. You can put it, you could even wear it as perfume if you wanted, or if your student wanted to. They're just, it's a great oil that's all around an amazing use. And then the last one is one that you probably already know about. It's peppermint oil. And peppermint oil is an incredible oil for if you have any, let's say, head tension, any kind of, anything on the back of your neck. You can use it on the crown of your head, up here, just along your temples. Again, if you're just having that tension, maybe long studying sessions, or long time on the computer, or graphic arts or something like that. Anybody that uses that. The other thing that you can use peppermint oil is if you can't find your digestion, you can use it on your belly if you're having any sort of challenges there. It's great. The last thing I'll say about peppermint is that it's so fabulous for keeping you awake and alert. So while you're studying, you could roll it on your wrists and smell it while you're studying. You can put it anywhere on your body, because again, it's diluted, and it's just one of those fantastic and amazingly versatile oils. So I hope that this kit is something that you would be interested in for your children. It's $100, which for all the oils that you get in this is an incredible value. And I will put the link in the notes below about this, so that you can get it straight away. That is at the wholesale price, and that's if you have a wholesale account, which is just $35 for 1 year. And then the second year, it's only $25, and you actually get a free whole bottle, a 15 milliliter bottle of peppermint oil. So those are great reasons to potentially start your account, or if you already have one, go ahead and pick up this amazing kit for your kids before they head out for college, or even if they're already there, you can send them a care package. I talked about the soft gels. These are the soft gel On Guard soft gels, which are incredibly easy to take. You can just take one or two at a time as soon as you start to feel something weird. We also have Digestion uh, soft gels as well, so you can do the outside oil and the inside. And I tell you, in a minute, it will start working within about 30 minutes. you'll just feel it. You'll feel some relief. And finally, the Tri-Ease, which is our allergy blend. It's a blend of lemon, lavender, and peppermint. And that's great for any kind of seasonal challenges you or your children are having. And it will help keep them happy and keeping on going in school and getting the best grades they possibly can. So I hope this was helpful. Again, please let me know if I can help you in any way. My email is maryjo, MARIJO, at bellaessentialoils.com. And I'm happy to help you. I love to talk about this stuff. It's great. I have a college student. I'm going to send him with this kit for sure when he heads out to school in a couple weeks. And so I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope that you will comment and let me know how you're using your oils and how your student likes your oils. And let's get you set up. So thanks so much for watching. Bye now.